Good idea.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
แก้มตูด
Chicken butt. That's chicken.
Take a break.
Well, don't worry, that's mine. The cabinet.
In a balloon, I could go to space. With the air, like I don't care. And baby, by the way, because I'm
Good morning, everybody. Chuck here in ThatPhanom, Thailand. Today, I think they're going to be finishing up the tile here. I don't want to go anywhere at this point until they're completely finished with their part. I think within the next day or two, maybe tomorrow, they'll be finished. Me and Paige want to do something, but it's difficult right now because it's rainy season to really plan anything. And everywhere in this region, especially if you're Vietnam or that part, the weather gets pretty bad at this time. Up until about November, I think it stops. But up in that area, they could have hurricanes spawn out there too. So we're not headed out of the country until after rainy season, or anywhere in the Pacific, I should say. But we want to the ladies want to take a trip to NakhonPhanom. They're having a huge festival right now, so we can't even book a place to stay. But that'll be over, I think, next week. And then they want to make a trip somewhere else, maybe Ubon, somewhere in that area. But right now we can't think of anything until we get this thing done. Our cabinets are still delayed because that rear, I guess you could call it a fascia, is I guess it's on the waiting list to be made or something. I'm not sure. Mavi is doing pretty good. She lost almost 10 kilo. Her knees are hurting her a little bit still. She needs to probably drop about another 10. I don't know if she could, just because of her health, you know. That's really all that's going on today, guys. I don't have much to offer you as far as content. It's just everyday life videos. I know some people like the videos at home, the Thai life. Some like to travel. Some even like the golfing now. But I get bored making videos with the golfing, to be honest with you, just as much as I get kind of bored making the videos here. Not because I'm tired of making videos, because I just get bored in general, I think. I want to go. But right now I have to stay. Anyway, that's what's happening, guys. Good morning. Good morning, Calgum. There's Paige. Good morning.
Calgum almost got hit.
Yeah, Calgum almost got run over yesterday chasing a dog, and then got hit by a motorbike. She bounced off the wheel, but screamed like she got decapitated, you know? Little scuffing. I don't have any projects this morning, so I got a little bored, so I put some covering on this to match everything else, I guess. We had some extra, it's just like what do you call that? Like a vinyl cover or something? It's a sticker. And I put it on. They want to put this in there too because Mafia keeps their shoes in there. I said, okay, we'll have one brown thing in there, I guess. No. All right, Paige has me putting polish on the table, on the chairs. Good morning.
นิ่งตลอด
Well, it's that time again. Time to get King Cow meat. King Cow. Well, don't worry, that's mine. The cabinet, the bottom cabinets underneath the bar are going to come out probably about 12 centimeters from here. So it's not level. This is higher. So he's not going to be able to get tile here. So I told him, don't worry about this. Just put half the tile on this part here. And then just put grout, an even layer of grout. It's not going to be very high. It's going to be about that high, so that but make it a nice, 12 centimeters out from this pole, and that way it'll have a solid foundation for the cabinet. So he agreed that's easier because they'd have to cut that out. I said, no, it's not necessary because you won't be able to see that anyway. Okay, while they're grinding, Paige wants to go to Lotus, get some more coffee, dog food. I need yogurt. And my mother-in-law needs shampoo. ThatPhanom. We're at Lotus. That's what we do, right?
Yeah.
I haven't been here in a while, actually. Look chin. We got a lot of these damn things now. Oh, more.
Oh yeah.
Back now. That looks really good.
Like blueberry.
Yeah.
Organic yogurt.
Organic.
That is strawberry fruit yogurt. Good yogurt. That looks good.
I got that. Paige is into cereal now. You know they got unicorn. I know that's really special. Look, they got strawberry cornflake. Okay, what are the odds of me being able to last time I tried to get this, they're like, no. But look, it's 123 baht, I think. Try it again. One more time. Let's get that for Cow Wow. Try that. Never mind, that's cumin. I wanted the ginger lemon. Maybe. Nope, maybe. กินในห้อง
ไม่นั่งบอดีเลยไม่นั่งโกงเลยว่ากินหมดไหม
Oh wow. You eating? Look, this is better. I like wow, no? Good idea. County, like I guess you could say, like the road commissioner is part of Paul Poot's family, just got elected, and we've been trying to get them to come out and fix this asphalt. The last guy, I don't know, of course he did a shortcut. I'm sure he saved quite a bit of money, but you have to park out in the middle of the street if you're on a motorbike. So my father-in-law asked if you guys can't fix it, can he just concrete up to that and make it level all the way to the end of the property. And they said, yeah, sure, go ahead. So he's going to pay for that. I told him he ought to just slope the driveway all the way up to the garage so we can get in there one day, but we'll have to do that later. This is the most spoiled neighbor's dog on the planet. Paige gonna go get me a salad. Chicken butt. That's chicken. Chicken toot is chicken butt. Yeah. ไก่ตูด ตูดไก่
เ บรรณา
I gotta go get my ranch salad dressing. I like ranch. I kind of, I could live without it because I've been here for so long. But when I got back, I discovered this powdered, kind of make it yourself ranch dressing. It just takes milk and mayonnaise. And man, I'm loving it because you only need like a couple of little tablespoons to make a jar of it. But yeah, if you like ranch and you're gonna move to Thailand, that's a good thing to bring. But make sure you leave it in your refrigerator. Wow, that looks amazing.
ยำวุ้นเส้น
ลวกบ่อันนี้
บอตูดไก่ไก่ติ๋มอยากกินตูดไก่ เนี่ยสาระ
Well, guys, I think tomorrow they're gonna be finished. I would almost probably guarantee they're gonna be finished tomorrow. They've got a lot of little bit of a touch-up stuff to do. There's I really like that. Like I wasn't expecting that. That looks really good. I like that. But they got a little bit touch-up paint I think needs to be done still. Some of the walls look pretty good. Touch up there. The boy spent most of his time doing this. This railing, but I don't know if he's done or not. I would have probably just, spray painted it. I don't know. We'll see. I trust these guys. Like, they seem to do really good work, and they go behind themselves and fix their mistakes without having to be told anything. So he's got to finish that up a little bit. He couldn't get in there because, he just laid those. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, we'll see you tomorrow on the next video. Bye.